right, I was on mute. Now I got the new recording and set up, and I have my trade set up to be a sell on Euro Pound. I need to fix that, but here's my other account, and just so you see where my entry is. It's this 4-hour level with this daily level. Anyways, might get triggered here soon. I want, if people think that this is a false breakout long, that's my entry into the short right at that level. We'll see if that works. Pound, dollar, I would think would go long if I'm correct on this. Those trades could work at the same time. Not sure if I want to add on to it and take both. Part of me wants to. However, if I'm wrong on my read on the pound, then I'm like really wrong. But that's kind of like what I say is that, I don't look to like add on to a trade unless like it's a different pair, and that's how I like add on. I don't add on to the same trade that's like moving, but I add on by saying like, oh, this is a good level, has pretty good reward to risk ratio, um, what have you. And it lines up with my idea of what could happen on pound dollar as far as the level. Mm. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get in market on pound dollar long, just because I like the location. A little bit riskier of a trade, but I like it. Ooh, almost got triggered on euro pound. Uh, we'll see. Be crazy if pound dollar works and euro pound I missed, and it also works. That's also always possible. But this move from the US session, it's kind of still like a day 3 setup. Stopped everybody out that was in it the other day, and they still want to go long. It's very possible. So leave this one on. See how that goes. It's working out so far. So my entry was right there. When it pulled down into here right now, like a couple minutes ago, that's when I got in. I got it in a market order. So getting up there. Gotta document what I'm doing. So if I take it to the high of the range on the 4 hour, that'd be about 3.5 hour or so. Yeah. So that's what I'm aiming for there. That's about it. I think I'm gonna remove the euro pound trade just because I missed it. Like this is the move I wanted. All right, as I'm getting it with the pound dollar. I was hoping pound dollar would go down a little bit more and euro pound would go up a little bit more before getting in, but that was a clean trade as well so far. Would have been in profit immediately if I just executed at the high rather than my limit being right here. So because of the fact I already missed the move, like, so if I'm wrong on pound dollar and it flips and goes against me, then this would probably also flip and go against that level as well. So then um, the level that I had is holding in advance. If it comes back up, it's probably just going to find a way to break higher at this point, because then it'd be leaving some of the news demand that's been created here. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out. So then therefore, I'm only putting one trade, 1 hour at risk right now. And I'm going to allow the rest to happen on its own. We'll see how it goes. I'll post the trade as I've done before. Still have to post the dollar PPI news that I failed on. My read was just wrong on that one. I should have gone short with the trend and just realized that the core CPI move was going to just continue trending throughout the day. So if something moves more than normal, I should trade it as it's moving more than normal. Like if I traded it like an interest rate move, then like I should have, because it had the volume and push of an interest rate move, would have made money on that dollar CAD short if I just went with the trend. Anyways, up for the week pretty well. Still positive since I started this account and live trading last week. If I'm wrong on my current trade, I'll be like maybe break even-ish after 2 weeks of trading. My first week I was trading live, I hadn't traded for 3 weeks. So since my trading's getting better this last week, it means that I think I'm getting more into the flow and having better routine, but I'm still working on my routine. So my process is better for trading. That's about it. It's been a fun session. Up about 11 pips. And hopefully we'll hit target. 10 pips now. But this is a good sign for me right now that I'm in the right direction. I just need this level to break here because this is the end of the news level. So I need that to break and then this to just continue with its trend. So if you have any questions, hit me up on Discord. I have to have a better link on Discord so people in the public can join my server. Right now, it's of course just to people that I know followed me over the years. But we'll go ahead and once I get more situated, better with the social media stuff, hopefully be more accessible. Still working on it while trying to trade and trade well. All right, still working. Cool. All right, adios, guys. It's been good.